Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm doing an acrylic infill and we're taking my client's length down because she's going on an amazing holiday where she's going to be rock climbing and doing all sorts. So we're taking these dead short today. So I'm now debulking the nails using my medium e-file bit and taking down some of that length. So I'm now going to push back my client's cuticles and then I'm going to go in my 180 grit file and I'm going to start refining these nail shapes, make sure they're nice and short, and I'm also going to start prepping the natural nail and just removing any lifting. I'm now going to dehydrate these nails and then I'm going to go in with a little bit of acid primer as well, and then I'm just going to place down a clear acrylic layer on all of these nails ready for the design. So this colour is Coral Kiss from Team Gorgeous, and it is a very soft coral colour, so it's absolutely stunning. It's not an in-your-face colour, but it is beautiful. And I'm going to pair this with Team Gorgeous Princess, and that is a really baby princess pink. It really is. You wouldn't necessarily think to put these two together, but they just blend amazingly. And yeah, it was so pretty at the end. So I'm just going to apply this to the rest of the nails, and then we'll go in with that princess pink and you'll see what I mean about how it blends so easy. So here's that princess pink. Look at that colour, it's just so pretty. And just look at that blend together. It's just gorgeous. So I'm going to apply this to the remainder of the nails before I go in with a little bit of glitz. So I'm going to be using a bright neon orange glitter and a bright pink glitter. I can't remember where I got these from because it was such a long time ago. I've had these ages, but I'm just placing little bits of glitter over the two colours that I've ombreed together. And I still want those base colours to come through on the ombre nails, so I am only using a little bit. But then on this ring finger, we are fully loading it up with glitter. So I'm taking some acrylic on my brush, and then I'm dipping it into the glitter and applying that to the nail. And I'm making sure that it's all laying flat before I've gone in with my next colour. And then I continue to add those little bits of glitter to the remainder of the nails. Now I'm going to cap all of these nails in clear, and then we'll be ready for filing and refining. So I'm now going to take my 180 grit file, and I'm going to start filing and refining these nails, making sure that there's no lumps and bumps, and then we'll get a nice, perfect, even shape. I'm now going to whiz round the cuticle area and the side walls with my fine bit on my e-file, and then I'm going to take my buffing block and I'm just going to buff over those nails, removing the scratches. So now we're going to do a bit of a tropical flower on that ring finger. So I'm going to be using Semilax Pink Wink and Orange Lollipop for the petals, and that is a gorgeous pink, and this orange is, oh, it's amazing. It doesn't show quite how bright it is in that light, but that is super bright. And I'm going to take a detail brush. I'm going to start with that Pink Wink, and I'm going to start creating some of the back petals, and then once I've done that, I'm going to pop that into the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. So now we're going to go in with that orange lollipop, and we're just going to create the front petals in between those pink ones, and then once I've done that, I'll pop that into the lamp to cure for 30 seconds as well. So I'm now going to take Semilac Strong White, and I'm just going to place the centre part of the flower on there, and then I'll cure that for 30 seconds again. So this is Semilac's Black Art Gel. So I'm taking a short fine detail brush, and I'm just taking a little bit out onto that palette to bring my brush to a point, and then I'm just going to outline these petals, and then once I'm happy with that, I will pop that into the lamp to cure for a full 60 seconds. So this is my favourite bit, the magic top coat. This is what brings all that sparkle to life, and these are just so sparkly, and I just need a cocktail now. They are just amazing, and they're that proper summer tropical vibe. Look at that, so pretty. Once I've applied this no wipe top coat to all of these nails, I'm going to pop that into the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. So as always, I'm going to finish this set with a little bit of cuticle oil. I hope you enjoyed these short but very sparkly and pretty nails. My client absolutely loved them. I enjoyed doing them. They are dead cute. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.